Welcome back, guys. I hope that you saw the last 6 parts of this video. This is the 7th part of this video, and in this part we are going to talk about the operations of real numbers, like how to add under root quantities, and how to subtract, and how to multiply and divide them. So for example, let's take an example of 2 root 2 plus 5 root 5 and 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3. So first of all, let's add both these equations. So both of this, now we are doing the addition. So how to add this? So now let's write 2 root 2 plus 5 root 5 plus the second number will be in bracket 2 root 2 plus 3 root 3. So in the addition and subtraction, we have to add the same under root quantities with each other and the different under root quantities with each other. So as here root 2 and root 2 are same, so we will add this, and here root 3 and root 3 are same, so this both will get added. So plus into plus root 2 will be plus root 2, and plus into minus 3 root 3 will be minus 3 root 3, and this number will come down as it is. So from here we can see that 2 root 2 plus root 2 will be 3 root 3, 3 root 2, and 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3 will be 2 root 3. As here 5 minus 3 will be 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. So this is how we add both the real numbers. Now we will see how to subtract them. So now let's take the same equation, and 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus root 2 minus 3 root 3. So minus into plus root 2 will be minus root 2, minus into minus 3 root 3 will be plus 3 root 3, and both these numbers will come down as it is, 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3. Now when we subtract, 2 root 2 minus root 2 will be root 2, as 2 minus 1 is 1 and 1. So 5 root 3 plus 3 root 3 will be 8 root 3, as 5 plus 3 is 8 root 3. So this is how we add and we subtract the real numbers. And now we will see how to multiply them. For this we take another example like 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Now we have to multiply both these numbers, and as here you can see that first number is 6 root 2 and the second one is 2 root 5. So in this case we multiply the under root quantities differently and the real numbers differently. So here 6 into 2 multiplied by root 2 into root 5. So root 2 into root 5 will be under root 10, as it is under root of 2 into 5. This will become, as both have the under root, so therefore we will give the under root to both the numbers and we will write it like this. So this is how we write under root 2 into under root 5, and it will be under root 10, and 6 into 2 will be 12. So this is how, when in the under root there are two numbers, we multiply like this. If for example, let's take an example like 6 root 5 into 2 root 5. Here the quantity in the under root are same. So when we multiply the equations like this, 6 into 2 into under root 5 into under root 5. So under root 5 into under root 5 will be under root 25, and under root 25 is 5. So 6 into 2 is 12, and 12 into 5. So the equation will be 12 5, that is equal to 16. So this is how what happens when there are same numbers in the under root. So now let's see how to divide these numbers. For this we take a different example like 8 root 15 and 2 root 3. Now we have to divide these two numbers. So first we write 8 root 15 divided by 2 root 3. So 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So the equation becomes 4 under root 15 by under root 3. So as you can see, both the numbers have under root, so we can write this number as under root of 15 by 3. So 15 by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15 into 4, as the 4 is already present here. So and the number finally becomes 4 root 5. As you know, under root 1 is 1, so therefore no need to mention the 1 in the denominator. So the equation will be 4 root 5. So this is how we add, subtract, multiply and divide the real numbers. And now let's take some more examples so that you can clearly understand the concept. 6 root 5 and 7 root 3. Now we will see how to add these numbers, how to subtract, how to multiply, and how to divide this type of numbers. So 6 root 15, as first let's add these numbers. 6 root 5 plus 7 root 3. As both the numbers in the under root are different, so this equation will be in this form only. We cannot further add or subtract this number. And if you want to subtract this number, 6 root 15 minus of, in bracket, 7 root 3. So minus into plus will be minus, so the equation becomes 6 root 5 minus 7 root 3. As I already told you, the quantity in the under root are different, so this cannot be added further or subtracted further. So now let's multiply both these numbers. 6 root 5 into 7 root 3. As you all know, 7 6 of 42, and under root 5 into under root 3. As you know, under root 5 into under root 3 will be under root of 5 into 3, and 5 3 is a 15. So this number will be under root 15, and we already got 42. So this is the number which we get on multiplying this both these numbers. So now let's divide both these numbers. So 6 root 5 divided by 7 root 3. So, and 5 by 3, under root 5 by under root 3 can be written as under root of 5 by 3. And this number cannot be further simplified because they both are prime numbers and they don't come in the same table. So we simply get 6 root 5 by 7 root 3. So this is the final answer. Here we added both these numbers, here we subtracted both these numbers, and here we multiplied both these numbers, and here we divided both these numbers. So this is how we do the operations when we have under root quantity, and for all the real numbers this is valid. So thank you guys. If you like the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you.